Hi everyone, welcome back to Transfer Tuesday. I absolutely love this day. Every Tuesday, I am proactively channeling my money to work harder for me. The goal here is to transfer money to either increase your savings, invest in something, or in my case, I am transferring my money to pay down debt. The goal here is that you are being intentional in what your money is doing for you. If this sounds like something you are interested in, stick around. Hello and welcome to another Transfer Tuesday. Once again, we are slaying these credit card payments. So if you are new to my channel, thank you. Thank you so much for being here. Every Tuesday, I transfer money in the direction that I want it to go. I try to be intentional every Tuesday to make a transfer into either paying down debt or increasing my savings. Right now, all of my attention and focus is going towards me paying down credit card debt. So we are paying down this card over here, my Discover It card. So we're going to click on this and pay it off. Ooh, the screen looks different. All right. I'm going to pay $1,000. Payment successful. Great. So we've gotten this taken care of. I wanted to share with you guys something really exciting that happened to me last week. I got a message from them. Good news! We've increased your credit line. Congratulations, we've noticed your excellent credit management overall and increased your credit line to $10,000. And then they proceeded to tell me all the different types of rewards I'll be getting with this particular card. Earn 5% cashback bonus on everyday purchases at different places each quarter, like Amazon.com, grocery stores, restaurants, etc. Plus more discovery benefits, free Social Security alert, freeze it, blah, 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 blah. In other words, hey, we want you to continue to be in debt. Here's more money so that you can F yourself up. But you know what? The good thing about my journey now is that I am learning how to be better with my money. I will not be getting myself into more debt. I will, moving forward, after I pay down all of this debt, I will spend the money during the month, pay it all off at the end of the month. So hopefully we are going to grow together on this journey. I can continue to make progress and improve. So that is it for today. A quick Transfer Tuesday. My work is paying off because I got that credit line increase. The good thing about the credit line increase, even though I know it's baked, it will help me with my credit score. I'm trying to get to that excellent credit score mark. Right now I am in the low 700, and I think my mid score is the high 60s. So I'm hoping to get all of them above 720 so that I can have that good to excellent credit score by the time I am ready to purchase a home in a year. So thank you so much. Please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel and you don't know the drill, click subscribe. I have so many great things coming up, and I would hate for you to miss anything at all. Until then, my dear friends, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.